Okay, the video was interrupted by a call, so this is going to be a two-part video. And this time I put the phone in the airplane mode, turn off the Wi-Fi, so hopefully no interruptions happen again. Okay. Wonder if this comes out. Okay, so watch how these little pieces of metal, these tabs, would fall out if you flip them over, so don't lose them. At this point, I'm sure I should have watched a tutorial on how to do this. I haven't, but this pump looks pretty small, so it should be okay. Let's see if I can find a brush. Okay. Should have probably used the nylon brush, but oh, no shit. Look at this. Hold on. Here. See the bearings inside there? Is that supposed to be like that? I don't think it's supposed to be like that. And I guess no wonder it has so much play. Alright. I guess I found the problem. And before I lose all of these little tabs here, use a magnet to take them out. Man, I love these little magnets. This used to be a part of one of those telescopic magnets, but broke off. They're pretty cheap, so take that out. Take one more. Okay, I'm gonna get them all out so I don't lose them. Oh shit. Great. Pulled the whole drum. Okay, you know, I really don't think it matters the way it went in, but from what I can remember, I'm not sure if it's seen in the video, but here, there's little dots right here, and I'm sure that they were going in like this with the dots facing down. So I'll have to go back and look in the video. Put this right there. Okay, I'm gonna gather all of these little tabs. I had somewhere this magnetic plate. You can just put all of these little parts in so you don't lose them. I guess let's get this thing out. I do see some wear in here. Right there, see some shining metal. Probably just needs to be cleaned from the debris and stuff. Set that right there. You know what? Let me count this here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. See how many I still have. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I lost one, but whew. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. The next step would be, I think piece of the bearing fell out actually. Oh no, never mind. It's just the whole bearing falling apart, I guess, or the seal maybe. Let's see a bearing in the kit. Hopefully I just need to replace the seal. Okay, so you will need these snap ring pliers, because there's a snap ring right there. And I bought these for like 30 bucks in Home Depot. I think they also sell them at Lowe's. There's a little baggie in there with all of these different attachments and stuff. Really recommend this, or these pliers, because if you get those like cheap $20 or like $14 pliers, they're not gonna do most of the jobs. Well, I was working on my heavy duty truck, or I guess a dump truck is what we call it, and none of the other pliers would work, because on there you have like real stiff snap rings, so only these ones worked for me. Alright, got that out. The kit also comes with the new snap ring, so let's see if it's any different. Okay, it's about the same. Could probably reuse this thing. I'm just gonna keep it as a spare, but I'm gonna put the new one in when I start installing all the seals, new seals back. And I'm assuming we just need to tap it on the back of here, tap it with a mallet or something. I can't find my hammer, so I'm just gonna use this. Sounded like something fell out. Yes, I should have definitely done some research. See if this does anything. Oh. This part also came out. Looks like there's also a seal, or a O-ring. Yep. O-ring also lost its elasticity. Feels like stiff plastic, and it's also like flattened. It's almost square. Now the new one is like super easy, bendable, and it's round all the way around. So that's what a good one should look like. Okay, I'm gonna set that apart. Let's see if it goes the opposite way. Nope. Oh no. Yeah. Looks like the bearing is toast. Shit. That's a part of the bearing that's supposed to cover these balls. They're like slightly bigger than BBs. Well, shit. Okay. Let's keep tapping. Let's make sure that there's not another snap ring holding there. There's this, I guess it's like a spring washer. Maybe two. Let's see. There's another O-ring right there. Right here. And it's also kind of stiff. Yeah. Just like the other O-rings. It's deformed. It's not round anymore. And there's this, I guess it's called a spring washer. Oh, yeah. There's two. Washer spacer, maybe. It goes in there. Like that. Okay, well, looks like this thing is gonna need, well, it will definitely need the new bearing. That's not gonna work at all. Okay. I don't see a way to use like one of those bearing removal tools, so I'm just probably gonna have to tap this thing out. It's gonna have to go that way. Yep. Maybe not. Oh, okay. So you do tap it from this side. Cool. Alright, there's a seal in there that I'm seeing. It doesn't look like it's toast. Looks like the seal is, no, it's old. See some deformities there. Wonder what I could try it with. Okay, but the bearing, yeah, no, there's nothing left of it. There's the little balls and the the inside part is still left on the shaft. So I'm probably gonna have to use the I don't know what I'm gonna use. Yeah, I could probably try to get the the bearing extractor on here. Okay, well, the last thing that you'll need to replace is the looks like just this seal right here, and that's it. I'm gonna have to find the bearing somewhere. I'm gonna put mine together, but you guys can follow this, and obviously just reverse the process to put it back together. And this is the kit number. I wonder what's behind the sticker, because I see some numbers right there. But anyway, this kit comes with all of these things. Yeah, let's get some other seals that I'm gonna have to figure out where they go. I think it has like one extra that I didn't catch where it's going. Maybe I did. Anyway, comment if you have any questions.